Yo, TS noob. Um, don't want to put on my face because you already know why of my random other video. If you don't know why and you just jump into this video, it is because this camera is really laggy and it's really funny because it'll freeze on my face and make my face look stupid, and I don't really want that right now. But anyway, I'm trying something new, but check it out, yo. Yeah, this is like breathing inwards, so it's like really hard. Hold on, let's see. Let's work around it. I'm like freestyling up. Like all I did right now is learn the noise, so I'm just trying to make a beat. So let's see. Nah. Yeah, well, little sample, dude. I'm gonna get pro at it. Just wait. This is literally the first beats that I've ever like even tried making. So you can make fun of them if you want. I don't give a shit because I'm TS into the double Z, but busy. I'm just kidding. Plus, it's just another random video to put up. And yeah, eventually I'll come up with more. And yeah, be looking forward to more beats with those noises. And yeah. If my brother was here, I'd slap him, of course, but he's not. He's being a little bitch. I don't know where he's at. But anyway, you guys have a nice night, because it is nighttime. But anyway, wow, I just said but anyway like 10 times. Fuck it. Well, yeah, whatever, bye.